No surprise, I've actually managed to break something already. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be carrying out a pretty simple fix / repair, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be... Shit, I forgot I can't click my fingers. Just pretend I clicked my fingers there. Yeah, oh, bloody hell, it started raining so much. We're going to be replacing the side lights on the MK5 Golf.
In the city you can't move slow. Nothing. Something that I cannot live for.
Yeah, as you can see, we're going to be changing the side lights on the MK5 Golf because one, as you can probably tell, one of the bulbs have gone, which is not good, and two, as you can also probably tell, it's this really nasty orange / yellow color, which I'm really not a fan of. So yeah, we're going to be upgrading to some nice xenon style front side lights, which I bagged for around £7. So yeah, let's get inside the car now, show you what we're going to be needing. Right, so as you guys can see, we've got tools and actual bulbs. So firstly, we've got this little mirror, reflective mirror thing. Oh, you can see me. Yeah, you don't need this, but I don't know, it might come in handy, so yeah, just forget that. And then we've got some gloves because we don't want to grease the new light bulbs when we put them in. And yeah, yeah, here are the light bulbs we got. They're from Osram, and apparently it's got a xenon look. And yeah, they look pretty cool. They got this like blue tint to them, but yeah, according to the reviews, they're not actually blue. They're just more white in general. But yeah, we'll stick these on, but obviously first we have to take the old ones out, so yeah, let's do that. Right, so it's kind of started raining a lot, which I don't mind because I actually like rain, but yeah, I don't like rain when I'm like filming.
"70 years later."
I forgot to open the bonnet. Sheesh. Look at that. Gorgeous 1.4 litre naturally aspirated right, so yeah, what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna do the left or right. We're gonna do the right side first because on the left side we've got this container here, which let me know in the comments what that is because I've got no idea. But yeah, that makes access a bit more harder. But yeah, we're gonna start off with this one, and off camera I'm just gonna pull this cap off. I'm gonna pull this cap off, and I might as well do that right now actually. There you go, pull the cap off, and as you can see, we're gonna pull that little thing right over there. We're gonna pull that out, and yeah, wish me luck. I'll see you guys once we've done that. So update, randomly the light has actually started working again, and that's like so weird because like it wasn't working for like a month or two. And like I just tugged on the wire and all of a sudden it's apparently working again. Another update, yeah, I've been here for around an hour trying to get these off. It does not want to come off, so yeah, I've hit the forums up and apparently I'm meant to use some pliers, so yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. We've got some bad news. No surprise, I've actually managed to break something already. As you guys can see, with the pliers, I've actually broken the side light. I mean, I think it's just the housing, but I'm praying it's gonna be alright, because if it's not, then my dad's gonna kill me. But yeah, the wire seems to be a bit damaged as well, but I think it's alright. But yeah, let's go, man. I broke something already. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna take this out and pop on the new one. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we have installed the brand new side light. I'm literally like pissing myself, like if I've broken it or not. But yeah, let's just hope it works. We're gonna pop it in now, and yeah, that went in relatively easy. As you can see, well, you can't see because it's raining. As you can see, the brand new blue bulb is in there, and yeah, let's just pray it works. But we're not gonna turn it on now. There might be a voltage difference or whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna try our best to do this one, because obviously I think it's an AC compressor, whatever it is. Well, I don't even know what it is, mate. So yeah, we're gonna try get this one out and let's hope I don't break anything. Boys, after nearly 30 minutes, we finally managed to take off the side light as well as the main bulb, or I'm not sure which one that was. But yeah, this one was super hard to access because of this box. So yeah, first I had to take off this connector, which is fine, we can just pop that back on. But this one was a pain in the ass to take off. But yeah, what I do suggest, you don't want to use your hands. You really do want to get a pair of pliers. Ideally ones like these should set you just fine. But yeah, we're gonna get the new side lights on and hopefully we're finished. So we finally fitted both the bulbs. Obviously for you guys it must have seemed super easy, but you know what, it was pretty hard, I can't lie. But as you can see the brand new blue bulbs in there. I don't know if you can see that nicely, but yeah, now we're gonna turn the car on, and my hands are literally shaking. I'm praying it's gonna work, especially that one, because I did end up breaking it. So yeah, I'm fingers crossed it works. Yeah, let's start the car. Right, so before we actually had a warning light, the bulb warning light. So let's just hope that's disappeared. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hey, yo, there's no warning light. Okay, so that's the first good sign. Now, oh wait, I haven't turned the lights on, bro. Okay, I turn the lights on. No explosions. Alright, please work. I'm praying. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! It worked.
Got my backpack, my pen and pad, and my headphones on the road. No matter how far I walk, it don't seem like I'm ever getting close. I just been wondering with no map on me, so I don't know where I'm going. Sometimes I be wondering if there'll come a day where I finally find my home. Don't wanna be caught in a cycle with drugs and violence. Paranoid, looking over my shoulder, gun on my side when I'm riding. Yeah, came from the dirt. If only we knew it were diamonds. We can't avoid the emotions of life. We hide these emotions through smiling. Yeah. It's hard not to kill when they took one of your bros. They say hard times don't last, but I'm thinking when this pain gon' go. Still keep 30 on my waist, not trying to be the next one to go. Still pray for all my ox, Allah have mercy on their soul. Never asked for a handout, I'll figure out on my own. Always knew that I would stand out ever since I left that womb.
We have done it. Both the lights are working, and even that one's working. I'm so shocked right now. But yeah, as you guys can see, oh wait, let me get my tripod. As you guys can see, both the lights are working, and oh my god, I am very impressed. As you can see, it doesn't have a nasty white yellow color anymore. Now it's got this much more clean whiter look, which I'm absolutely loving. I mean, they're not like crystal white, they're not LEDs by the way, they're still whatever you call them, but basically they're much more better than the previous ones we had on. It's meant to have this xenon effect. I mean, they're definitely white, but they've still got a tint of yellow. But for some, it's not really showing on camera, but it is actually much more whiter than it appears. But yeah, oh my god, I'm gassed. I'm so glad, and I checked everything. The main beams are working. I was gonna say the headlights, but everything is working. So there you go guys, we've finally upgraded the front lights. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with how they came out. They only cost me $7, but yeah, it looks much more modern. And obviously you can't really see it that well because they are just side lights, but in the night time I will take another video so you guys can see how it looks in the night. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Do let me know in the comments down below what suggestions you do have for any future mods we do to this car. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.